So there's two bolts we gotta remove. This is the bolt head, and on the opposite side there's a nut. Same thing down here. Now I think OEM wise, the bolt head comes this way and there's a nut on this side, but I really don't know if it matters. But either way, the bolt head is 14 and the nut is 17 millimeters. So we'll go ahead and loosen those while the bike is on the rear stand. After we loosen them, we are going to support it with a jack stand underneath the rear sets. Now my rear sets aren't OEM, they're not foldable, so this will support the weight of the bike. All right, now you can see that the bike is supported by the rear sets on the jack stand. I'm using this stand as a lever to be able to pivot the swing on. So now I'll go ahead and remove the nuts in the bolts. Out with the O. Oh hell yeah, been a long time coming waiting for this. This is the most money I've spent on this bike. I might actually have to use some of these damn Ohlins stickers. Oh, they even got the Yoshi yellow on the mud. Yeah, yes sir. Jesus. Now let me call up the suspension guy and see if there's anything I need to do prior to slapping it on. All right, the longer bolt goes to the top, shorter bolt goes to the bottom. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck. So again, I'm just using my pit bull stand to get it to line up where I need it. But I do know one thing, when they come, they go. Saturday through. Move the jack stands. Monday, Sunday, baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, will someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk.